Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Cash App security settings tutorial. So first, open your Cash App and tap the profile icon on the top right from here. Scroll down to find privacy and security. This is where most of your security settings live. An extra layer of protection by requiring a PIN or biometric authentication whenever you can open the app or send money. To turn this on, go to the privacy and security, tap security log, then toggle it on. Set a strong pin so that you can remember but isn't easy to guess, and enable Tech ID or Face ID uh, if your device supports it. Also, for the next step, make sure you have two-factor authentication enabled. This means that when you log in from a new device, you will need to verify your identity with a code sent to your phone or email. While Cash App doesn't have a traditional 2FA option like some apps, it does send confirmation codes for sign-in and sensitive actions. Always keep your contact info to receive these alerts. Also check your linked back and bank and cards regularly. Go to your profile, then linked banks, and review all linked accounts. If you see any unfamiliar accounts or credit cards, remove them immediately. Keeping your linked payment method secure is key to preventing unauthorized transactions. Another important tip is to be cautious with Cash Apps. Enable notifications so you get real-time alert for payments sent or received and any account changes. This way, if you notice any suspicious activity, you can act quickly. If you ever suspect unauthorized access or fraud, immediately go to your profile, select support to report the issue. Cash App support team can help freeze your account and investigate suspicious transactions. Lastly, be wary of scams. Never share your sign-in code, PIN, or personal information with anyone. Cash App employees will never ask for this info. Also, avoid clicking on suspicious links or offers claiming to give free money or boosts. Now, if I summarize the whole thing, first, enable PIN entry and biometric lock for app access. 2. Keep your phone number and email updated for security alerts. 3. Regularly review and manage linked bank accounts and cards. 4. Turnaround notification for real-time transaction alerts. Also, report suspicious activity immediately. Stay vigilant against scams and phishing attempts. And that covers the key security you should know on Cash App. Keeping your account secure is essential to protecting your money and personal information. So I hope this video was helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel and ring the bell to get notified about more videos of us. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.